Hi friends, I am Sai. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be doing the loudspeaker comparison between the Samsung Galaxy M51 versus the Poco X3 device. As you can clearly see, friends, I'm using the Poco X3 and the Samsung Galaxy M51. And the Samsung Galaxy M51 has the single bottom-facing speaker, whereas the Poco X3 has a dual stereo speaker setup, so which is very loud and very vibrated as well on the back panel. But in the Samsung Galaxy M51, there is only bottom-facing speakers, so there should not be any vibrations on the back side. But in this video, I'll be just comparing the audio output from both of the smartphones. So let's see how much audio will be different between both the smartphones using single speaker versus the dual stereo speaker setup which is present in the Poco X3 device. And in case if you want to know what is the wallpaper and what launcher I'm using, this iOS 14 launcher, there is a video separately I uploaded on my channel as well, so try to check that video in case if you are interested. So let me try to play the audio in both the phones at the same time, and let me show you the how much decibels is there recorded in the either phones. So first let me try to play the audio from the Samsung Galaxy M51 device, and let me try to show you the sound meter bar as well, so how much the sound will be recorded. So let me try to play the audio right now. As you can see, friends, right now if I keep the sound meter bar away from the speaker, then definitely you are seeing around 80 decibels, and if you're keeping the very close to the speaker, it's close to 104 decibels. So now let me try to do the same thing with the Poco X3, keeping the sound meter bar away and close to the speaker. So let me try to play the audio. As you can see, friends, if I keep the sound meter bar away from the speaker, definitely it's recording close to 87 decibels. So whereas in the Samsung Galaxy M51 it was close to 82 and 83 only, sometimes even below 80 decibels. So now let me try to play the one by one audio, so you can actually see the difference, how much the audio quality it is. So alright friends, in terms of the audio output and the sound clarity, and the loudness of the sound. So the POCO X3 is a clear winner in terms of the loudspeaker test, so which I did. The loudspeaker in the M51 is very low. I didn't expect this to be this much kind of low volume in the Samsung Galaxy M51 device, even though I'm using it with the full volume. So that's a good thing with the POCO X3, which has a very good dual stereo speaker setup. And if you want to know how to decrease the vibrations, so try to check my other video which I did recently. You can decrease the vibrations in the POCO X3 device by using some kind of techniques. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.